Today we are making what I am calling a not so Reese's peanut butter bar. And you guys, these actually do taste like a Reese's peanut butter cup. And these are all the ingredients that you will need to make them. So gather everything up so that we can make them together. And these are the measurements. And we're going to start with making the chocolate topping. So to a pan that is sitting over a double boiler, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of butter, and to that we're going to add 1/2 cup of sugar-free chocolate. And for today's recipe, I'm using Lily's. And this is going to melt slowly. Into it, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Give it a stir, and you guys, this is ready. Take it off the stove so it can cool. And now we are going to make the peanut butter filling. And to a mixing bowl, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of softened butter, one cup of creamy peanut butter, mix those together until they are well incorporated and smooth. And that is looking good. Next, we're going to add 2/3 cup of powdered sweetener, and then 2 tablespoons of coconut flour. Mix those into the peanut butter and the butter until all of these are well incorporated. And making this peanut butter filling is just that simple. Now you guys, this is ready. And it looks just like the filling of a Reese's peanut butter cup. Now we are going to spread this evenly into a parchment lined container. And once this is spread out evenly, and I will show you in a second what it looks like, then I'm going to refrigerate this for about 10 minutes. And then after I take it out of the freezer, I am going to pour the chocolate on top and spread that over the peanut butter evenly. And this is what it's looking like. And now it is time to refrigerate. And I kept it in until it hardened. And then I took it out And now it's time to serve. And one thing that I will tell you, which I did not do here, after you take it out of the refrigerator, let it sit for about 10-15 minutes to give the chocolate an opportunity to soften a little bit and makes it a lot easier to cut. And you guys, doesn't that look delicious? Give this to your family and friends, and they will not know that this isn't a Reese's peanut butter cup. Enjoy.